Hey everyone! Today I'm making a super easy and quick chicken alfredo for people in a hurry. And here is what you will need for this recipe. First, I'm cutting my chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. This makes cooking faster and ensures every bite is full of flavor. I'm also going to chop the garlic and onion into small pieces for a nice even sauté. Next, I'll heat up some oil in my frying pan. You want the pan nice and hot so we can get the onions and garlic sautéed quickly. Once the oil's hot, I'm adding my chopped onion to the pan. Meanwhile, I'm heating up a pot of water for the fettuccine. After sautéing my onions for a couple of minutes, I'm adding garlic. I'll sauté the garlic until I start to smell that wonderful aroma. Now I'm adding my bite-sized pieces of chicken breast to the pan. I'll cook this until they're golden and cooked all the way through. While the chicken is cooking, I'll drop my fettuccine into boiling water. I'll season chicken with salt and pepper. And now that the chicken is done, I'm adding 2 jars of creamy Alfredo sauce right into the pan with the chicken. To get every bit of that sauce, I'll add a little bit of water to each jar, rinse it out, and pour that into the pan as well. Let it simmer for at least 5 to 10 minutes to heat through. Once my fettuccine is cooked, I'll drain the pasta and add it directly to the pan with the sauce. Time to mix everything together and make sure the pasta is coated with that creamy sauce. For an extra cheesy touch, I'm adding a little shredded cheddar cheese on top. This will melt perfectly into the sauce, adding even more flavor. Now I'll give everything a good mix so the pasta is completely coated. And that's it, the chicken alfredo is ready to serve. It's creamy, flavorful, and the perfect meal for a busy night. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty meals like this one. Now I'm shredding a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top for some extra flavor and a nice finishing touch. And that's how we make chicken alfredo for people in a hurry.